Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to remove PayPal from Shopify. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, you want to go ahead and open up the official PayPal website if you've not already. Go to the official website paypal.com, and once you open it up, you'll be greeted by this home page right here in which we can get started logging in. So in the upper right corner, you can get started logging in, creating an account if you do not already have one. So once you have created your account and you want to log in, go ahead and log into your account that is connected to Shopify. So once you have logged in, you'll be greeted by this home page right here where we can take a look at our PayPal balance. We have our recent activity right here. We can send, request money, and so on. And now we can get started. So basically guys, what we're looking for is this option right here. We have two ways. We can either do it directly from the Shopify website, and here we have the steps to do that. So as you can see guys, here on this website we have a tutorial on basically how we can get started disabling PayPal as a payment option on Shopify. So we're going to open up our Shopify admin panel and navigate to the settings tab. Under this payment provider section, you can locate PayPal and click on deactivate, and this will disable PayPal as a payment option for your store. And what we can do guys is also disable it directly from PayPal. So if you open up your settings menu right here in the upper right corner, you have your settings icon. Click on settings. This is going to enable you to open up your settings or tab right here. As you can see, you have your account settings, security, and data and privacy. You can open up data and privacy, and what we can do guys is click this option right here where we can manage permissions we have given. You can go ahead and open it up, and then you can manage where your PayPal is connected from, and you can just go ahead and remove Shopify directly from this list right here in the permissions given, and this is going to remove PayPal from Shopify, and that's how you can do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.